All right, good morning, Ballston residents. I'm here with Dr. David Pierce, and we're right by one of the tributaries that spills into Ballston Lake to do some sample gathering, right?
That's sample gathering of water.
Show us those sample bottles.
Okay.
And they're all
sample bottle, sterile, sealed. Another bottle for phosphorus.
So basically, we're gonna gather up some water.
Gather the water, and then we take it to the CNA lab in Ballston Spa to be analyzed. And the E. coli, fecal form, coliform water has to be analyzed within 6 hours. So we have to get it there before noon today.
Okay, so we're not doing any of the testing. You're not doing the testing. It's completely independent.
We just gather the water.
This sample gathering is not CSLAP. What is it?
This is just, the town is interested in what is flowing in the groundwater in the town. So this is water sampling in groundwater that goes through people's yards and fills their wells and eventually comes into the lake.
Okay, but it's tested independently, just like...
Tested independently. The CSAP sampling is tested in Syracuse at SUNY ESF.
Okay.
And that water is gathered at 1.5 meters down in the lake and at 2 locations in the lake. So this is not CSAP sampling. Without touching any part of the inside of the bottle.
We're in Buell Heights right now, and behind me is the creek bed that eventually sprawls along over by Fireman's Grove underneath the railroad tracks, kind of over by Kearney's, and then eventually down into the lake. And so Dr. Pierce is going to grab samples here as well. Now logically, if you think about it, if there is fecal coliform in the water, there's going to be higher levels upstream than there is downstream, because of all the vegetation and all the distance and some natural filtering that takes place. So all of this data gets recorded, tested, and then recorded and filed with the town clerk's office. These are very scientific samples from everything that I can tell, and I've been around education my whole life. So trust what you see on the town website as far as data goes.